Let's dive into Suppose, the magic of hypothetical questions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a crucial part of English conversation: hypothetical questions, specifically the use of suppose. Hypothetical questions are a fantastic tool to explore imaginary scenarios, express wishes, and speculate. So, let's dive in and unravel the magic behind suppose. Suppose is a powerful word often used to introduce hypothetical scenarios. It means imagine or what if. You're essentially asking someone to consider a situation that isn't real at the moment. For example, suppose you win $1 million. What would you do? Here, we're asking the other person to imagine the situation where they win a lot of money. Forming questions with suppose is simple. You just start your sentence with the word, followed by the situation you want the other person to imagine, then end with your question. Here's the structure: suppose plus situation plus comma plus question. For example, suppose you were a superhero. What would be your superpower? In this question, the situation is, you were a superhero, and the actual question is, what would be your superpower? Responding to suppose questions is as easy as understanding the hypothetical situation and giving an answer based on that assumption. Using our previous example, if someone asked, suppose you were a superhero, what would be your superpower? You could say, if I were a superhero, I suppose I would like to have the power to teleport. Notice that suppose can also be used in the response to show speculation. Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Remember, the best way to become comfortable with suppose is by using it regularly. So, let's try a few practice questions. 1. Suppose you could travel anywhere. Where would you go? 2. Suppose you could meet any historical figure. Who would it be? 3. Suppose you could change one thing about the world. What would it be? Try to answer these in full sentences and use suppose in your responses. That's all for today's lesson, folks. We hope you now feel more confident using the word suppose in your conversations. It's a great way to make conversations more interesting and imaginative. So, go out there, start hypothesizing, and, most importantly, have fun with your English learning journey. Until next time.